Welcome. Why? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to this amazing channel. This morning I am explaining and letting us know the importance of using steel channel. Steel channel, the benefit of steel channel rather than you using galvanized pipe. This is completely different from the importance of using steel channel. Let me tell you, steel channel allows the water to run down, rainwater. When rainwater runs down the top of the building, steel channel lasts very long. Steel channels bring peace of mind, unlike galvanized pipe. Galvanized pipe stores water and it rusts faster. This can rust faster. This takes the component of galvanized pipe is not as strong as steel channel. So this is why we recommend steel channel for our members. Don't get me wrong, people sometimes when they don't have money, they will do galvanized pipe. On this channel, safety is very paramount. Safety is very key. Okay, so steel channel, as you can see here, is so strong and lasts years. It hardly rusts and it hardly crumbles. Wait a minute, let me show you what the galvanized pipe sometimes cost people. Bear with me. This is what they use with steel, with galvanized pipe. Galvanized pipe is not recommended. You can see initially it's like the old roofing sheet. When you first install it, it will look solid and white color. It's coated. It buckles. It buckles after a couple of years, maybe maximum 5 years, maybe maximum 6 years. This is not recommended. This is not recommended. I do not recommend this. Some people want to the extent they paint it, but they buckle, they fall down, because after years upon years, this is what we recommend. Steel channel, they last a year. The circumference is very thin. If you look at the tip of it, it's very, very, very thin. Just to look at it, mere looking at it, you could see the circumference is not as So I will galvanized pipe because they don't last. When you buy your storage or GP tank, they are very heavy. Galvanized pipe buckles under huge weight, and it also rusts rapidly. It rusts rapidly, and to avoid danger, because all this water, minimum of 1,000 liters, 1,500 liters, they can just crumble suddenly. They crumble when you see. They just crumble. Bear with me. They crumble under the heavy weight of pipe water. You can see that one is bent there. They crumble fast with heavy weight of tanks. So we do not recommend our fans using this kind of material. I know, I can understand things might be expensive, but what we understand in Nigerian context, we don't maintain things. I understand that if you use this for a short period, if you use this for a short period because you do not have enough money, then I understand. But if you think within a short period you're going to change all these, yes, it's understandable. Maybe people who are trying to go get into the property in good time, they don't have money by the time they were building the house. I could see places when people build house, they don't paint it, they start living inside it. Yes, I understand. That is understandable. There isn't much money, but you have to put a time frame when you are going to remove this, because we've seen a lot of heartache, a lot of people walking, doing some washing on that. They're just walking by. These just suddenly crumble down onto the ground. I've seen some even coming from the roof into the building. Some people put them on top of the house, and they come, all the water start gushing in when they were sleeping. You see, you do not want this heavy load of material, heavy load of storage tank, to come crumble down on anybody. It's a big disaster. We don't pray for that. Okay, I'm going to show you. We have done it for quite a few clients, and one of our clients, they might be watching us now. This is it. I'm going to show you a bit of when when they were putting them together. This is how huge it is. They get steps. If you look at this, they do steps, but they do steps, but bear with me. I think I've got it wrong here. Bear with me. They do steps, but they don't last. The steps there. Look at them. No, not this. Look at them. They just climb there like somebody jumping like a monkey onto the roof, because the steps don't come with it. They just believe that you are going to use your energy to, if anything is wrong on the roof, on the tank, you will use your energy. Unlike this, look at the steps. They are all professionally, constructed. It stands a build, the weight is already embedded in the construction. Okay, so I'll show you the making of this. Let's go. Bear with me. The making of it now. Please endeavor. Oh, hey, yes. Thank you. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Thank you. Right. So, yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Happy New Year, my fans. Happy New Year. So, they buckle under this. We just showing you what we are talking about. We just constructed this somewhere in. I'm not going to tell you the location. You see, that's the height of it, and the water. It stands the test of time. The base of it, I'm going to show you the making of it. This is the finishing product. Look at when you see the welding part of it. The base It's 12 mm thick plate. 12 mm. You see, and it's painted with red oxide. This is it. Like we paint it, you can choose your color. Most oftentimes, red or black, they stand against rust. See, that's painting of it. Before this, the legs are mounted. This is done on the ground. This is absolutely done on the ground. Yeah, sorry, I need to change the positioning of this. Bear with me. I will. Sorry about the quality of the video. Bear with me. I'm going to. Yeah. So you can see that, and water does not settle under this type of material. It runs. Why we use steel channel? Water runs smoothly down very well. Look at the leg. I'm going to show you the making of the legs as well. When we were doing the legs, I'm just showing you the finished product. You're going to see the making. See. And when we do this, we do a survey. We do not go and put it in a place where you open your window and the first thing you see in the morning is this huge, tall steel beam. No. We go to the site, we look at the best location that will not be obstructing the view of the owner. You see, everything, this house, beautiful. It stands the pressure of the wind. And don't thank God we don't have cyclone, we don't have hurricane in Nigeria. So this is absolutely, it's also beautiful. It's befitting. When you have something like this, it stands. Even Water Corporation of Nigeria, this is the material. The Association of Architects, the Association of Civil Engineers in Nigeria, this is what they advocate. I can understand when people use galvanized, they don't have much money, but please, only for a short time, not for a very long time, that you want to live in a house to avoid disaster in your house. Okay, so you can see how beautiful and how strong, durable these can be. This is solid, and wind cross properly very well. Nothing impedes anything here, as you can see. Look at it. Beautiful project. You can see it cost this one that we did. I can guarantee you can do it. You have the resources, you have base, you have, don't think, I mean, if you're based abroad, it's not about being based abroad. It's about doing the right thing all the time to avoid future calamity. You see, this is not obstructing anybody's wind, it's not close to any window, and this is what we recommend for our fans. Yes, if you're thinking of doing your welding, sorry, you see now, I'm going to stop this here. Oh, Lord, bear with me. I will go back. Look at the bottom, the base of it. See the thickness. See the thickness of the steel channel. You can see the thickness of it. Let me reposition the video again. Bear with me. You can see the position. You see everything is now that's the I can't remember the material it is, but you can all see. Look at the foot. Look at the foot, and you're going to see how this is done as well. This is the foot. This was done in one day. You got to have solid base to put all to install. Yeah. Let me put you up.
Hola, where you?
Be loud. Sorry. See, that's what went into the ground. Look at the thickness. Look at this. Look at the thickness. This one went into the bottom of the ground. This one was buried into the soil. When what you saw here, that's the 12 mm steel plate. Look at that. See the thickness. Look at the thickness. I'm coming. You're going to see this. Look at that. Look at how thick. Foundation bolt. We call it foundation bolt. See the thickness. 4 of that was buried into the ground. Okay. It's the foundation bolt. It's the foundation bolt which you got to make sure that you have. Look at that. The making of it. That's the making of it. Look. See how thick. See the thickness of the. Look at that alone. That's 12 millimeter thick of steel beam. Look at that. See how thick. You're going to see when we're going to put it on the ground. See, about 4. See the thickness. That's when we started digging the ground. And look at the foundation mat. It's proper construction we've done here. We don't mess up things. Right here, there's no noise of the machine. Digging, we've positioned, we've done the survey, we've realized that that's where we're going to put it, and that's what they're doing now. Yes, it's got to be done. It's got to be done. Yeah. That's how we come to that. See, all of it, we dug the ground, and that high, and look at it now. This is the making of it. Look at that. Look at the depth. Look at that. Foundation bolt will be screwed and bolted. And look at the depth. Look at it. And we use proper materials to do this. Yes. Look at it. Yes, this is done very well. Great job. See, pouring concrete to the bottom. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. See the base. The base alone to tell you that it has a strong root, strong foundation. So look at it. Pour it into it. All of it done to the test of any pressure of any wind or anything.
So
and there is space for them to pass by in the building. So
that is
look at that. We will not advise you to do. We advise you to do this, and we don't advise you to do that. They don't do all the preparation into this. What preparation? How much preparation goes into that? So you can see that. Please do not do galvanized pipes. Don't do galvanized pipes. Please. I advise you don't do galvanized pipe.
Hello, sir. So
look at it. What you saw there, what you see here, is now transformed.
That is this rubber. So
to this.
Hello, sir. So
look at it.
At the cast yet now.
We removed the blocks was used to compact the concrete. So to compact the concrete.
Tomato join me cast here.
You have to.
So ati akasi e dey level ilele awa to block si egbe egbe awa kasi block
project the man has